everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson, we explored constructors and destructors. Today we'll learn two powerful concepts, friend functions and static members in C++. What is a friend function? A friend function is not a member of class, but it can access the class's private and protected members. Think of it as a special guest who gets access to private stuff. Let's see how we define and declare a friend function. To declare a friend function, we go to the public section and then write friend void print length. Simple, right? This is how we declare our friend function. Now let's define our friend function. This is where we will define our friend function. Let's write void print length parameter box b cout length of box b dot length, and in the main we call our print length, which can access private data. Here you can see length is private, but the friend function print length can access it because it was declared as friend. Let's run this program and we got length of box 10. A friend function can even access private data of multiple classes. Let's say we have two classes, class A and class B, that have private variables as x and y respectively. But when we declare a friend in public, it can access those values. A static data member belongs to the class, not to objects. This means all objects of that class can share a single copy of the static member. A static member is defined outside the class, same as friend function. Here we have written int student : count equal to 0. With this, we are counting the total number of students. Inside the class student, we declared a constructor student with parameter string n, which will have name equal to n and will increase the counter. In the display function, we are displaying the name of the student and total students. Let's run this basic program. You can see the output here. Let's create a static member function. A static member function can be called without creating an object using the class name. Here the class name is test and we called our function. In the class test, we created static int number and then static void show number function, which will show us the number, that is 100 here. Let's run this program and see the output. Number equals 100. Friend functions give special access to private data, while static members are shared among all the objects of a class. Try writing a program where you create a class bank account with private members, balance and account number. Use a friend function to display account details and add a static member to track how many accounts are created. If you solved the challenge, drop a green tick in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.